D&D Hardware is an ISO 9001 certified factory with 18 years experience specialized in door hardware. Product including door hinge, mortise lock, lever handle, cylinder, door closer and panel device, suitable for education, healthcare, hotel, government, apartment building, hospitality commercial applications. D&D offers product meet ANSI, BHMA, performance standards as well as current UL5 rating requirements and ANSI standards. D&D is beyond simply a manufacturer. D&D is also a door hardware solution provider. Our mission is to satisfy end-user needs for security, safety, and convenience. Our ISO quality control system helps us maintain our product quality. We have confidence to offer a 10 years mechanical guarantee on certified product, and this will give you confidence to present the product to your clients. Product certificate, cut sheet, drawing are available for project needs. A one-stop service, pre-sale guidance, self-owned testing laboratory, ensures thorough and precise evaluation of product quality and compliance with established standards. Shipping, after-sales service are available. True. Support your business with your clients. D&D has established long business relations with customers from Europe, Middle East, America and Asia. Benefit from product certification. Expertise knowledge, quality assurance, competitive pricing, customization ability, and great service. Through our partnerships, we have developed extensive market knowledge and understand the technical specification and quality requirements. We believe we are capable to assist you to be prosperous in business. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.